You've learned to build Claude workers. But not every repeated task is worth turning into one. Pick wrong, and the setup work goes into something that was never going to pay off. Before you build anything, score the task against 4 things: how often it happens, how long it takes, whether the input and output are actually clear, and whether a human can review it before it's used. First candidate: turning sales call notes into a follow-up email and a CRM update. It happens several times a week, takes about 15 to 20 minutes by hand. The input is the raw notes. The output is an email draft plus 4 CRM fields, and you'd want to review both before they go out. It passes all 4. Second candidate: improving our brand messaging. Ask what the exact input is, and there isn't one. Is it auditing old copy? Writing new copy? Customer interviews? This isn't a task. It's a goal, rejected before frequency or time cost even matter. Third candidate: the annual client survey report. Clear input, clear output, worth real time, about 6 hours a year. But it only happens once a year. Below monthly, a saved prompt beats a full system. Rejected on frequency alone, even though everything else passed. One candidate passed all 4. Sales call notes into a follow-up and a CRM update. That's the recommendation. But it's exactly that, a recommendation. You confirm it or override it. Claude doesn't get the final say. Save the result as a scorecard. Each candidate task, its score against all 4 criteria, and which one you picked and why. Reuse the same template the next time you're deciding what to systematize. You don't need a system for everything. You need one clean task, scored on real criteria, before you spend an hour building a worker for it.